Hello everyone, I am Manav, and in this video we are going to learn about respiration. I think I have said wrong. I have said something wrong. Oh yes, I want to say that in this video we are going to learn about breathing. No, I have said wrong. So this confusion will be crystal clear in this video, and the real thing that we are going to study is the difference between our respiration, breathing, type of respiration, breathing rate. These all the things we are going to cover in this video. So let's begin with the respiration. Let's begin with the breathing. So when I used to talk about breathing, you think in your mind or to create an image of like this. You have seen that what's happened when I stop breathing, when I'm doing like this. First in 1 2 3 breathe. What I have done like this. And now carefully watch me what I will do. Carefully observe me. I cannot stay without breathing. It is a reflex action. It is a reflex action. What do you mean by reflex action? The actions in our body which are done by our body, they by their own, by the nature of our body. I am blinking my eyes. Observe me. I have not blinked. Wait. I cannot stay without blinking. As you have seen that I cannot. First I can stay, I can survive. But I need like this. I need blinking. Take your hand at the left side. Wait a minute. Yes, at the left side. This side. See, there will be a bumping sound. We know that this bumping sound is of our heart. You can see that it is bumping, humming, like doing like this again and again. This is due to our nature. This is our body. I'm not trying to say my heart to bump like this. It is a reflex action. But we are not going to learn about the reflex action in this video. So I'm not going into the deep of this topic. We will only focus on the breathing. So I'm breathing. You must have heard that our all these surrounding area, our air is made up of. Our air is a mixture. Our air is a mixture of different gases. There is nitrogen, hydrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Mainly all these gases are in our atmosphere. Near about 78% there is our nitrogen. 21%, near about 21% oxygen. 0.04%, I think 0.4% are carbon dioxide. So our air is a mixture of all these gases. And when we breathe, we only take that gases. Yes, we only take that gases. Yes. If I am doing like this. So when I do like this process of taking air into the body is known as inhaling. What? You say it? Inhaling. And now, observe me. Inhaling. When I release gas, the waste gas from my body is known as exhaling, and the gas that is given out is much carbon dioxide, and the air that we inhale, it is rich in oxygen. So, breathing is equals to exhaling plus inhaling. One exhaling and one inhaling is equal to one breath. What we say? It is equal to one breath. I am right. Exactly right. So what is the difference between respiration and our breathing? So I'd like to say that breathing is a type of respiration. Breathing is a part of respiration. Yes. So what is this respiration is? Respiration helps us in breaking down the food into glucose. And when the glucose break down, it release energy. Yes, what it release? It release energy. And there are also two things I'm not getting. There's also gas, but energy will be released. In the respiration, what's happened? It breaks down the food that you are eating, gupping. The food that you are eating, gup. That food is in our stomach. After that, I don't know in which organ, but respiration is the process by which the food breaks down into glucose, and through that we get the energy to speak like this, like me. You can do. Ow! You can do like this also with the help of which thing exactly? The answer for this question is respiration. And the breathing is a type of respiration. So, we get to know what is the difference between breathing and the respiration. Although we think that both things are same, they're synonymous. No. They are not synonym, both are different. And you know that there are two types of respiration. Anaerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. So what is the difference between anaerobic and aerobic respiration? What is the difference? The difference between anaerobic and aerobic respiration is, in the aerobic respiration, oxygen is compulsion. Oxygen help in breaking down the food into glucose. Our human also do aerobic respiration as we breathe. Breathe is a type of respiration. And respiration we take in oxygen. And oxygen is also in our aerobic respiration. So, what is our aerobic respiration? The respiration in which the food is broken down. The food is broken down with the help of oxygen, for example, human. Second thing, what is our anaerobic respiration? Our anaerobic respiration is the respiration in which the oxygen is not compulsion. Yes. Oxygen is not compulsion, in which oxygen is not needed to break down the food. This is our what? This is our anaerobic respiration in the earthworms, in the yeast, etc. I'm right. So this is the difference between both of them. Now let's move on to the structure of the breathing. So let's move on to it with our nostrils. What nostril? These two caves in your this whole face is our nostrils. Nostrils we take in, we inhale with our nostril. Nostril take to nasal cavity to trachea. Trachea is also in the cockroach. Cockroach does not have their own what do we say that? Their own lungs. So they have trachea. This is like a bone structure which help in breathing. Trachea is also known as windpipe. So please remember this. It can be in your exam. The thing, windpipe is also known as that. The answer will be trachea. What will be? Trachea. So let's move on to our another concept. After trachea, there is bronchi, our lungs, and in the lungs there are bronchi, bronchioles, ovules, I think, anovilus. They are like a balloon structure which are connected to the blood vessels. And after the lungs, there is a hard structure that is like we say diaphragm. What we say diaphragm. So diaphragm is a soft thing that help in the protection of our lungs also. Because when we inhale, our lung got expand and the diaphragm got like this. If this is a diaphragm, it do like this because our lungs increases the size. And when we exhale, it got like this straight. And the joint or we say bones which help, a system of bone, a set of bone which help protecting the lungs from the front side is our rib cage. So I hope friends you understand our today's topic. Our today's topic is completed and thank you.